In this video, I'm going to show you how to get latest start menu in Windows 10. So friends, in case if you have classic start menu like this and you want to use latest Windows 10 start menu. So click on start, then type add or remove programs. Then click on add or remove programs. Now in this list, you need to click on open shell. Then click on uninstall. Are you sure you want to uninstall? Click on yes. Now click on OK. It will ask permission, so click on yes. Now close it and restart your PC. Now you will be able to use Windows 10 latest start menu. So thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.